In this video, I will show you how to delete your Trading 212 account. Now to do this, first you want to make sure that your balance is zero. So just go and sell all of your positions and withdraw the money to your bank or card. Now once your balance is zero, go to the three lines in the bottom right. And from there scroll down and click on Settings. From within Settings, click My Account. Then here you will see some details, but what you want to do is click Account Details. Now here you will find Close Account at the bottom. Now here again at the bottom, click on Close Accounts, and then under Important you can see upon submitting your closure request, you are also requesting the closure of your accounts and card with Paynetics. This means you will no longer be able to use your Trading 212 card. So just click Close Accounts, and from there you will need to have your balance at zero, and you can then confirm it in order to close your Trading 212 account. So now you know how to delete your Trading 212 account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.